Hi everyone, it's Richard at Lookers Ellesmere Port, and today I'm going to show you how to program radio stations in on AM, FM and DAB frequencies on the Vauxhall intellilink system. Now to do that we're going to need a car with intellilink on, and today we're going to use this, the Vauxhall Mokka X Elite. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Let's get started. So first of all, what we're going to do is get to the audio section on the intellilink system, and to do that you would press first the home button at the bottom left of the intellilink display and then press audio. Once on the audio section you can then select what frequency you'd like to listen to, either AM, FM or DAB. To do that you're going to press the source button and it will then bring up AM, FM and DAB frequencies along the bottom. Next we're going to tune in a radio station. Now we've selected DAB here. We're going to select one of my favourites, which is Absolute Radio 80s. All we're going to do is press the menu button, station list, and we can scroll through using the up and down arrows until we find the radio station we're looking for. In this case, Absolute Radio 80s. Now that we've found the radio station, I'm going to show you how to save it into the presets. Now to do that, you're going to scroll along the bottom of the screen using the left and right arrows and select a section that hasn't yet been filled with one of your favourites. I'm going to keep hold of it for 3 seconds until we hear the double beep. Once you've heard the double beep, it's saved in. It's also worth remembering that your presets can be from any radio frequency, so they don't all have to be from the same one. You could have your favourites from AM, FM or DAB. So there you go, that's how to program the radio via intellilink. Thanks for watching and we'll see you again.